ready to capitalize on one of the biggest names in insurance and earn some cash. Let's dive into how you can become a Geico affiliate and start promoting their products. The Geico Affiliate program allows you to partner with them to market their insurance offerings. You get a commission for every sale generated through your efforts. Think of it as a way to earn money by helping people save money. To get started, you'll need to apply. Head over to the Geico website and look for links or search on Google for programs like Flex Offers or Commission Junction to apply. Geico doesn't have its own dedicated affiliate page. During the application process, you will have to provide some basic information, including your website details, like the niche subject matter of your website. Be ready to share your marketing plans and describe your audience. Geico wants to see you are a serious marketer with a plan. They're looking for partners with established online presences, social media profiles, or blogs. Once approved, you'll receive unique tracking links. Use these links when you promote Geico's car, home, or other insurance products. When someone clicks your link and buys insurance, you earn a commission. Don't forget to follow Geico's guidelines for compliant advertising. Promote your affiliate links on your website, through social media, or even email marketing. The benefits are clear. You get to partner with a trusted brand, access marketing materials, and earn commissions. Remember, successful affiliate marketing requires consistent effort and a clear promotional strategy. So, apply today. Good luck and happy marketing.